morning, humans. It is 6:50 and I have a test today. Like, film these videos and I never end up finishing them. And I'm like really tired and I want to go back to bed. But what's new? Hey guys, good morning. I really like those TikTok videos where like person, you know, sits down and does their makeup and talks about stuff. That's what I'm kind of gonna do, even though I only have like 5 minutes left and I haven't sprayed perfume on or put socks on. The thing is, don't like do everything the night before if you're not a morning person. Like, just, even if you are, just do it the night before. Like, don't say, oh, I'm gonna wake up early to do it. Just do it the night before. You don't know what type of morning you're gonna have. You don't know what type of challenges you're gonna wake up to that morning. See the vent behind me? That vent is directly connected to the like living area. Anytime I talk in here, it like travels in here, there. It's also quite annoying because I tend to talk to myself a lot. I was talking to Brianna yesterday. This month we made goals, and then she was like, for this month, you should try to, you know, get somebody's phone number or Instagram, a male's phone number or Instagram. And I was like, okay. Did I really think it was gonna happen? No. Did I agree to do it? Yes. And she's like, Jane, you know what I realized? You really don't have any friends. My friend was telling me I don't have any friends. And the thing is, she's not wrong. I really don't. And she's like, you know, we're changing the goal. Forget a man. Make some friends. And I'm like, that's so embarrassing. Like, what? And I was so productive this weekend, which is très bien. Shit, what time is it? I just checked the time and it's already 7:50, which means I was supposed to leave. Technically, I'm already supposed to be gone. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm literally like climbing up. I should not be recording. That's the reason I was late in the first place. So I missed the bus, but it's okay. We have retakes next week. And also, I wasn't really prepared for this test, so why go to a test you're gonna fail? So I'm just gonna go inside and do some homework while I wait for the new bus to come. Maybe I should go to Starbucks. My next class is at 12. It's only like 9. I went to Starbucks and got a matcha. So yeah.
Why is it that you perform the actions that you do?
Let's be vulnerable. I've not had a good day. Nothing about this day was particularly terrible. I feel like I always wake up expectations of what's gonna happen. Then the day comes, the expectations aren't met, and then I'm upset. And I always have high expectations on everything. Every time I see the angel number 414, 414 means patience, patience. I've been waiting my whole fucking life. I'm tired of this patience shit. Like, when is this gonna happen? Like, be for real. I just want friends. School wasn't really having friends like that. And then I never really felt a part of my friend groups. I just wanna scream sometimes. I hate deadlines as well. Like, I hate deadlines. And when I see TikTok videos being like if you don't have a friend group by the end of the first semester, that shit gives me anxiety. Like let's be serious. The first semester, you give me like 16 weeks to meet somebody and then become like pretty good friends with them. I have trust issues. I'm paying bank to be here just to not even do anything or experience anything, and then I don't even know if it's worth it. I don't even know what I'm doing with my life, and I wish it was easier. And every time I see people who it just comes so naturally to, I kind of envy them. And I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say I'm not jealous, because I am. I envy people sometimes, and as much as people be like envy, like sometimes I do. It's not wrong to feel jealous. It depends what you do with that jealousy. It's gonna be okay. My eye keeps switching, and I swear if it switches again, I'm gonna cry. When my eye was switching before, like I could see it twitching. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. It just twitched. It's feeling like high school again, in the way that like I went there and I felt like everybody was already clicked up. You know? And as much as people say, don't go into this with any expectations, it's not possible. You're gonna go into any new experience with some expectations. And you had the pyramids tonight. You showed about the word. The way you say my name makes me feel like I'm that nigga, but I'm still unemployed. I'm never saying no man's being like that. So today is Tuesday, and yesterday I fell asleep with makeup on, and I know, no bueno, bad, whatever. I'm getting ready for the gym, and I'm also filming a TikTok today. Yesterday I had like this strangest feeling to go like this building today, so I have to go to that building today. Oh my gosh, so here I am at the gym. I've decided that Jane the Virgin be like my gym show. I saw a TikTok and it was like, oh, pick out a show and only watch it when you go to the gym. I can't keep having the same conversation again. I realized I really do hate Snapchat. Not that it has anything to do with anything. Speak like later. So right now it is 11 or so p.m. I'm going to go do my skincare and go to bed. I always feel like pajamas are a waste of time. I'm going to bed. I really need to get a massage. I keep saying I need to get a massage and I never get said massage. Also, you guys like my shirt. My school is giving them out. Also, recently, my face has been like super symmetrical. This is why I feel like TikTok is harmful, because I didn't give a fuck about if my face was symmetrical until I started using TikTok. I need to go to bed. Let's update. I know I didn't film anything yesterday, but I was really lazy yesterday. And this is the first time I'm going into like bio class with like having all of my work done. Which I know is bad, but at least I caught up for the most part. My class starts in 3 minutes and it's more than a 5-minute walk over there. I am feeling really nauseous because I didn't eat. And I keep doing my edges. It never stays. Literally, I'm so exhausted. Oh bueno. Can't wait to go home and go to bed, but I have like 2 appointments back to freaking back. Okay, here I'm trying to show you guys how flooded it was. Like, it was real bad. And mind you, it was just a little rain. Hola. So I'm back home. I literally just, like, after bio class, I went to go get food. And then I literally just went straight home. Also, look at the book I got yesterday. We already listened to her online. And I was like, let me give you a physical copy. Because I love this book so much. Tomorrow, I have blood work. But then I'm not staying the whole weekend. I'm just going for my blood work. And then I'm going to go right back here because we're having a football game tomorrow. And I want to go to a football game. And there's also supposed to be a fiesta. And I haven't been to any college parties yet, even though it's literally October. Yesterday, oh, did I tell you yesterday? I had a lunch to go to my therapy meeting. Then I'm literally going to knock out. Hey guys. Guess what we're back at? Okay, I had to go home. I know I haven't been filming mainly because I've been exhausted and sleeping, and also I had blood work today, so I had to go back home. And then my dad didn't want to bring me back to my dorm, so I had to take an Uber back here, and now I'm back here and I have to leave soon because I have to go to como se dice, football game with this girl. There was supposed to be a party, but I don't think I'm gonna be in attendance. Game starts at 7, so I have more time than I expected. I don't know how I feel about the outfit though, because like, it's like really out there. It's whatever. This brush stinks. Let's use another brush. I don't like that. Brush shouldn't. This one doesn't stink. I was supposed to leave already, but I guess not, you know? I texted the girl that I'll be like a little late. Even though the game only starts at 8, I thought it had to start at 7. I'll be like, traffic in Miami is always so interesting. Like, I took my Uber and it was like the fastest Uber I've ever taken. Like the fastest drive I've ever taken from like my house to my dorm, like ever. And let me tell you guys about the, Brianna keeps calling it a date, but in my head, it's not a date, because if it was a date, it would have been romantic. And like it would be like a mutual, like, hey, I like you, you like me. Oh, my mother is calling me thing, but it wasn't like that. I was there. And then I was anxious because I was talking, you know, I have anxiety, so I get anxious, and social anxiety be a killer. And when I'm anxious, I tend to do this thing where I don't freaking shut up. So I was talking, and then I was talking to this guy. He was a guy also. Like, I don't have, like, I don't know if you realize, but I don't really have male friends, you know? After that, like, I went home, and I'm like, I didn't shut up. Like, I just didn't shut up. And then he didn't text me back. Yikes. And then they're like, text him back first. I'm like, what the fuck am I gonna say? One of my favorite makeup things recently has just not been foundation. I'm like multitasking. Like, I'm doing this, and I'm like watching a TikTok, and then I'm like filming out a quiz, but then I'm also doing like my SLS homework. Like, it's the college life, guys, you know? I got a clear bag for free at the school, which is really good, because if you know anything about schools, like, you know, America things, they don't let you go in with like bags to like stadiums, so it's like clear bags only. Mind you, I don't even really know what's going on in football. Oh, I haven't had time to enjoy the sunset. I literally posted a TikTok about the sunset. You should definitely follow my TikTok, because, you know, I've been doing some numbers on TikTok recently. Well, and that is makeup look. Don't I look like a baddie? It's kind of awkward. Low-key afraid. Why do I look white? We're going on a little walk. We're gonna go find the people we're meeting up with. I feel like college is just making me do stuff. Like, I would have never done this shit in high school. Update, leaving the game because I have to go take the bus back to my dorm. I actually need to hurry up because that bus, as soon as it hits 30 or 0, they leave. I have these cookies, like they call them crack cookies. I see why he's texting, doing math right now. It is a Friday, go out. Let me not even speak on that because half the times I'm not even out anywhere. Hey guys, you might think, oh my gosh, it's still the same day. It is fully a whole other day and I spent the whole day in bed. Depression's looking a little different here. Today's supposed to be my self-care day. That's why I spent the whole day in bed. So right now, I'm gonna go take a nice warm shower. I didn't finish taking my shower. I took like half of a shower. First part was just hair removal. Now we're gonna deal with the clothes here. I also stopped taking a shower because my Uber Eats is like 4 minutes away.